these summer days we have an increase in the temperature values which are affecting the production of fish and shrimp. Here today we are going to explain how the heat stress affects the physiology and how we solve this by bile acid feed additives. The heat stress, it means the temperature increasing out of the normal range. And this is going to affect the metabolic system and subsequently affecting the energy production. The first is that the body reacts with increasing one kind of protein. This protein called HSP. Once this protein at higher level, because this heat stress, this protein going to decrease the energy production. The second thing is that the heat stress also increase the metabolic rate at higher level and subsequently increase the metabolic waste in terms of ROS, reactive oxygen species. It can be in a normal range, but when it increases at upper level, it could be represented as a toxin. The third one, that the heat stress change the bacterial composition in the intestine, which means it gives a chance for the pathogenic bacteria to be at higher level, affecting the health of shrimp and fish. And we are going to explain how the bile acid solves these problems. First here, this kind of protein decreasing the energy production, but the bile acid come to increase the energy production. But how that happen? The bile acid affects the gene. This gene is a gene master called PPAR. So at the same time that the AHSP decreases this master gene, the bile acid increases the expression of these genes, which means increase the energy production. The second is that ROS, as we have mentioned earlier, the ROS are toxin molecules. Bile acid here come directly to hold these toxins, make them dysfunctional, and then there is no ROS molecules, which they are considered as toxins, and then we don't have a side effect on the energy production. The last part, which is also very important, that the microbiota composition. Heat stress change this microbiota and give a chance to the pathogenic bacteria to grow, and then we will find fish and shrimp, they are infected and increase the mortality rate. But the bile acid come to make a control over the pathogenic bacteria, and not only that, but also increase the growth of the probiotic bacteria, increasing the short chain fatty acid producing bacteria, which increase the health of the gut and increase the efficiency of the gut to absorb all nutrients, which by the end improve the production of fish and shrimp under heat stress.